y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia Shanice, and today's video is going to be me installing this wig for you all today. Before we do get started, if you haven't already done so, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, as well as turn on the bell so you can be notified on when I do actually post my next video. But this wig I have for you all today is from Eyebrow on AliExpress. I do also have a hair review video on this wig already, so go check that out. I will leave it down below, but this time I'm just going to show y'all how I installed this wig. So y'all, this is a 30-inch wig from AliExpress, full frontal, full hair, nice hairline, transparent lace. Everything will be included down below. So I did purchase this wig. This is a 30-inch and it's only 180% density. It's a full frontal 13x4 wig from AliExpress. This wig did come in about 2 weeks through just the regular postal mail, and so far so good with this wig. So it is actually a body wave, but of course with it air drying and my fingers, it does just have like a slight straight wavy pattern. So as you know, I always use Ericka J glue to install my wigs. I'm only going to use 2 layers of glue. So this wig did not come with any kind of wig cap that I'm aware of, or if I can remember. So I did just put a wig cap on, and I do have the foundation on it. I'm just going to put down 1 layer of glue and smooth it out very finely, and then put in another layer of glue and wait till that dries. So I use Ruby Kisses as the coverage for the lace. I am a number 11, 12 in the Ruby Kisses. I do just add just a thin layer of it on the lace because you do not want to add so much to it, because all the oils from the makeup can get onto the lace and then your wig won't last that long. So that's another tip. If you put so much product on it, it will not last long. So make sure you use everything at a minimum. So now that I have the glue down and the lace, I just gently press the lace into the glue. You do want to make sure everything is sticking. Usually with Ericka J glue, everything sticks pretty fast as long as you do it correctly. You do have to make sure your layers are thin and not thick and clumpy, because if your layers are thin, it's easier for it to dry. And once it dries, it just gets really tacky. And just make sure you put the lace above your hairline. Try not to put it actually on your hairline or all the way back. You know, we all try to like make our forehead look a little bit smaller. So just make sure you put it above your hairline. So with this wig, it does have a full frontal. I do just cut off my ear tabs. Now, I can say the back of the ear tabs where the tracks start, it did irritate my ears just a little bit. I did just tuck it behind my ear, but yeah, this is me dancing. But I just tuck it behind my ear once I cut the ear tabs off, and I also just make a slit in the middle of the lace and just take my razor, my edge razor, and just cut off the sides. And with cutting off the sides, you do want to make sure you have it in jagged edges. And also make sure you just cut a little bit off. If you are a beginner, just cut a little bit off at a time. Don't try to like take the edge razor and just go ahead and just cut it all off. You do want to make sure you take it a little bit at a time, because once you cut that lace off, there is no going back. Just take your time, go in a slow motion, make sure it's just jagged so it kind of like goes in a natural hairline instead of just straight across. And again, this hair company is called Upermal. I found it on AliExpress. Now, they don't have many reviews on it. This is only 180% density. I'm not going to really go into the actual review of this hair because I did make another video outside of this video to let y'all know all the ins and outs of this actual hair. But I can say that I didn't mention in the other video, the hair does have, it is tangling and it is shedding, but again, it's 30 inches. Now, I did wish it was a little bit thicker, of course, but I did only purchase 180% density. That was the highest that they're able to do, but y'all know, like, sometimes if you order 180, it's actually thicker. But I guess this is one of those companies that is not all that thick. But yeah, so this is what I got. I didn't honestly believe I could do the no baby hair method with this wig, but the lace is actually really good with this wig, so I'm happy. The lace was really good. You can get away with it. You can cut it if you wanted to. The knots bleached really well on this wig, and it was a really cute look. I did go back and do like crimps and ended up doing a style to make it look thicker, but everything was really just lacing. Like, everything just looked really good. The hair is definitely true to length. And other than that, I didn't have any other problems. But yes, the hair does shed. It does tangle. Will I purchase from this hair company again? If push come to shove, I definitely would, because it's cheap. It's definitely an affordable hair if you're on a budget. But in the meantime, I'm just wear what I have. I am going to try to plan on dyeing it a different color because I do want some type of red hair. But so far so good with the look. I just love the lace. The lace in the frontal is probably the best part of this wig.
Nothing but love for you. Nothing but love. Nothing but love. I don't need sleep past 1 a.m. Heartbeat make me feel strong again. We don't just join the party. I don't need nobody. All that I got, this is in pages. Not gonna lie, sorry I'm faded. Think I forgot you love me. You love me. You love me. What you see in me gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else you. Nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trip, right around the dick. Trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And it won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this record back and over and over again.
It's always easier to tell you lies. Let the truth be your surprise. You see me as Mr. Right. Word of advice, change your mind, cause you're blind. Might as well close your eyes. If you open them, you'll cry, cause you see through my disguise. See right through me, you will see who I am for real. See right through me for real. See who I am for real. For real. I'm so cozy.